Good morning, students. The topic is associative property of union of three sets. Now, if A, B and C are any three sets, then A union B into the sign of brackets union C is equals to A union into again sign of brackets B union C. So how it is read? A union B into union C is equals to A union into B union C. Now we will solve a question from exercise 1.4, question number 2, part number 2, page number 14. We are given set X, Y and Z, and we have to verify that X union into Y union Z is equals to X union Y into union Z. Now students, you can see that every property has a left hand side and a right hand side. So we will first solve left hand side. For that we will make ladders showing all elements of sets, and here we can show common elements between three sets and draw the Venn diagram by using three different colors. And you can see that the common elements will go in the common section, and as there is no common element among the three sets X, Y, Z, so this part which is common among the three sets is empty. And now we will solve it by tabular form. First of all, we will always solve the bracket part. Now as you can see that the bracket portion is inside the bracket is Y union Z. So we will solve Y union Z first. We will write Y union Z set, and you know Y union Z set is this one. For the second step, we will find X union into Y union Z. For that, we'll write here the question, and on the right hand side the tabular form of the sets, and we will write X set first, then the symbol of union, and then this Y union Z set which we have found here in the first step. Now for second step, we will find union of these two sets, and we will come to an answer which is X union into Y union Z, and this will include all the elements. Now in order to prove the property, we will continue and we will solve the right hand side. For right hand side, now we have X union Y into for these brackets union Z. Again we will draw sets X, Y and Z, and here we will solve the first step. For first step, we will solve the bracket part first, X union Y. So students, we will find out X union Y, and as you find out and you solve the tabular form side by side, you have to do the coloring part, which is also very important. And for the previous part, left hand side, I made key for you. When you find Y union Z, so you have to color, children, Y and Z sets fully. You have to color them fully. These two circles must be fully shaded or colored, and show this by the color, by this color. And when for the second step, when we solve and find out X union Y union Z, so for finding and for adding X set also, we will do the second pattern of coloring, and we will show it in the key by the opposite side, and we will do the pattern of coloring in this way by using a different color. So in this way we will color it and show it. Similarly, when we solve right hand side, we will also solve the tabular form, and we will do side by side coloring of Venn diagram. For X union Y, we have X and Y, these two circles. To color them first, both the circles, fully X circle, see, and also including Y circle. Now X is of purple color, Y is of orange, so both will be colored by any color of your choice. When we add and we will solve the second step, X union Y union Z. So X union Y into union Z, we will take first the set of X union Y, which we solved as a result of first step, then sign of union, and then set Z, and we will find this resultant set. Now as we can see that tabular form, and we also have to color the Venn diagram. So for first step we shaded in this way, and for the second step, when Z set also added in the union, we will color with this opposite pattern, green color, and now all three circles will be colored. And now you can see that in the end we have proved that X union into Y union Z is equals to X union Y into union Z. That is proved. In other words, associative property of union of three sets is proved. And now for homework, students, you have to do exercise 1.4, question number 3, part number 2. It has three sets, S, T and U. U is here the name of set, and you have to find or verify the associative property of union of these three sets. Thank you, students.